Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make Mogra bloom. First, ensure your Mogra plant receives ample sunlight, ideally 6 hours or more each day. Mogra loves warmth, so a sunny spot is essential for vigorous growth and abundant flowers. Next, focus on consistent watering, keeping the soil moist but never soggy. Good drainage is key to preventing root issues and encouraging healthy blooms. To encourage more blooms, fertilize your Mogra plant every 2 to 4 weeks during its active growing season. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer for optimal nutrient delivery. Pruning is also vital. After each flowering cycle, trim back spent blooms and leggy growth. This stimulates new shoots, which will produce even more fragrant flowers. Don't forget to remove any dead or unhealthy branches. Pest control is another important aspect of successful Mogra blooming. Regularly check your plant for common pests such as aphids or spider mites. If you spot any, treat them promptly with an organic neem oil spray or insecticidal soap. Ensuring good air circulation around your Mogra also helps prevent fungal issues, keeping your plant healthy and ready to produce beautiful, fragrant flowers. For truly abundant Mogra blooms, ensure your soil pH is slightly acidic, ideally between 6.0 and 7.0, which helps with nutrient uptake. Repotting every 1 to 2 years can also refresh the soil and give roots more room to grow. And speaking of bringing things to life, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home. Happy gardening!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.